Okay. So we'll start our session. We'll continue with our yesterday's class. So yesterday I was discussing about the 7 life processes. Does anyone remember from that exactly what it is and how many points I had told you? I'll ask one by one now. Akash Gopal Padale, unmute yourself and tell what was one thing I told you yesterday from 7 uh, life processes.
Ma'am, ma'am, again on time you can explain the question.
What was the thing? See, yesterday I discussed something about living things and non-living things. Okay, so in
Yes,
that
ma'am.
I discussed 7 life processes. Okay, on what basis you can judge the living things and non-living things. So can you tell me one point from that 7 life processes which I told you yesterday, so that we can just
Movement,
revise it again.
movement, ma'am.
Yes, you can move. Okay, Rims, current code, tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me. No problem. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday we discussed about living things and non-living things by
Huh?
such process like movement, respiration,
Okay,
growth,
wait. Just one point because we have to keep other points for others also, no? So just one
Okay,
point. So
ma'am.
Akash has told movement and you have told respiration, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anjali, AK. See, after the moment I ask you question, unmute yourself. After the question is answered, please mute yourself. Okay, Anjali AK, tell me one. The third.
Ma'am, sensitivity.
Yes, sensitivity. Correct. Okay. Then Chamindishwari YG.
Ma'am, nutrition.
What?
Nutrition.
Nutrition. That is the intake of water and food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gani Biradar. Chamundeshwari, YG, it's over. Your turn is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gani brother. Came and Sohel M, class 10. Answer the question.
Growth, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Who said that? Sohel M. Okay, came and Tejaswini Reddy. Uh, Tell me.
Ma'am, excretion.
Yes, very good. Then came and Shri Hari Kulkarni. Shri Hari Kulkarni, tell me. Came and Pragati Kulkarni.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you repeat once again, ma'am? Because now I joined class, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I'll see. Just a minute, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, see, yesterday I explained you the difference between the living things and non-living things, and what is the difference between them, what are the characteristics between them, right? So, see this,
Yeah,
these are
ma'am.
living things and non-living things. Yesterday I said 7 points, life processes that differentiate between, living things and non-living things. So, can you tell me one of them? Because already a few people have told me, only 2 are remaining. So, can you tell me, guess that one?
Respiration, ma'am.
Yes, respiration is over. Anything else?
Growth.
Yes, that's also over. Can you tell me further?
Reproduction.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Anyone else? Wait. I have to take your name only because you guys won't come like that. Okay. Um, just a minute. Bhagya Kallur, tell me. See, now one person has said that sensitivity. Okay. But in sensitivity, how many are there? Can anyone tell me? Bhagya Kallur, tell me. Bhagya Kallur, tell me what it is.
Can I?
Who is it?
Akash.
Akash. Okay, Akash. Okay, you can tell, but make sure
Growth, ma'am.
from next.
Growth, ma'am.
Yes, growth is over. One more thing, Akash. Yes,
Growth
you
and
can.
excretion, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Very
five
good.
senses. Ma'am, five senses.
Yes, the five senses.
Eyes.
Five senses.
No.
Okay, I got it. And now I'll show you a video so that you all can go, you all are familiar to do that again. Okay. Are you fine
Okay,
with
ma'am.
it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because you know, when you see some things, you don't forget it. So I want just you to see something, you know.
Okay, ma'am.
All things which are present in this world can be classified into living and non-living things. Things that can breathe, eat, grow, move from one place to another, have feelings, produce their young ones, and die are called living things. For example, deer, butterfly, bee, and human being.
Can everyone see it? Can everyone hear it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, okay. Thank you.
Things that cannot breathe, eat, grow, move from one place to another, have feelings, produce their young ones, and die are called non-living things. For example, bench, kite, balloon, and seesaw.
Living things move. Living things move on their own. Plants are living things. They do not move like animals and human beings, but their leaves and flowers move. Flowers generally grow in the direction of the sun. The petals of morning glory flower open each morning and close as the sun sets in the evenings. Similarly, the leaves of Touch Me Not close as soon as it is touched. Just like human beings, most animals walk on their legs. Birds and bats use their wings to fly. Fish use their fins to swim. But do you know why do animals move? Animals move in search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from enemies and other dangers. Sometimes they have to travel long distances. They have developed special skills like to run, jump, crawl, fly to suit their needs. Some of them walk upside down, climb trees, and even walk backwards. Non-living things do not move by themselves. They need to be moved by a living thing.
Living things grow. All living things grow in shape and size. The weight and height of living things increase as they grow. Let's do an activity to see the growth in plants. Put a few bean seeds on a bed of cotton wool. Make sure that the cotton is damp at all times, but do not overwater. Keep it on a windowsill without covering it. After a week, you will observe that the beans
Whoever has doubt, keep it with yourself. I'll come back to you. Okay?
seeds have sprouted and the bean plant grows. A balloon also grows in size when we blow air into it. Is that growth? Blow into a balloon, then let the air out of it. What happens to the size of the balloon? The size of the balloon increases when we blow air into it, but its size decreases again when we let the air out. Hence, this is not growth. Non-living things do not grow. Living things need food and water. All living things need food and water to live. Food gives us energy to do our work. We eat vegetables, fruits, egg, etc. We drink milk, water, juices, etc. Cows, buffaloes, goats, deer eat grass. Lions, tigers, leopards eat other animals. Most of the birds eat small insects and grains. Plants are the only living things that make their own food. They prepare their food with the help of soil, water, and sunlight. All the other living things depend upon plants for their food. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things need air to breathe. Have you watched a sleeping child? Watch how its chest moves up and down. This is because the child is breathing. Animals and insects also need air to breathe. Let's do an activity. Take 2 bottles with tight-fitting lids. Make a few small holes in the lid of one bottle. Label it Bottle A. Label the other bottle B. Put a cockroach in each bottle and close the lids tightly. Check them out after 4 to 5 days. You will observe that the cockroach in bottle A is alive, whereas the cockroach in bottle B is dead. The cockroach in bottle A is alive because air could enter the bottle from the holes in the lid. So, the cockroach could breathe. The cockroach in bottle B did not get any air to breathe, so it dies. Plants also breathe in air. They breathe in through tiny holes present in the leaves. Let's do another activity. Take 2 small green plants. Cover both the upper and lower surfaces of all the leaves of plant A with oil. Leave plant B as it is. Keep both the plants in sunlight and water them regularly. After a few days, you will observe that plant A dies and plant B lives. Plant A dies because though it received sunlight and water, it did not receive air. Plant A did not get any air because the oil covered the tiny holes on its leaves through which it breathes. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things have feelings. Living things react to things that happen to them. They also respond to their surroundings. If your team loses a football game, you feel hurt at the time. You feel happy when you get good marks in a test. Animals and birds also react to things around them. A scientist, Dr. J.C. Bose, had discovered that plants have feelings. They also react to music. Let's do an activity.
Woo! Adapted Mind Math! Come explore the site with me. I'm in first grade.
Touch the leaves of a touch-me-not plant. When you touch the leaves of a touch-me-not plant, its leaves fold inwards and droop. This shows that the touch-me-not plant reacts when touched. Non-living things do not have feelings. Living things produce their young ones. A dog produces puppies and a cat produces kittens. Birds lay eggs and the young ones are hatched from them. Plants produce fruits which have seeds. These seeds give rise to new plants. Human beings also produce their offsprings. Non-living things do not produce their young ones. Living things die. Some creatures, like mosquitoes and flies, live for a few days. Some, like cats and dogs and horses, live for a few years. Animals, like elephants and tortoises, live for 60 to 100 years or more. The average lifespan of a man is 70 to 80 years. Trees also live for many years. Some redwood trees in California, USA, are 600 years old. Non-living things do not die. So, now we know living things need food and water. Living things need air to breathe. Living things grow. Living things can move. Living things have feelings. Living things produce their young ones. Living things die.
Monster Math presents Counting to 10. Okay, class.
So everyone is well versed with it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you want
Yes, ma'am.
me to explain once again?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, everyone is clear with it that there are 7 processes. First is they move, living beings move. Second one is they breathe. Third one is they sense, like the feelings, the ears, nose, the tongue, then the skin. Okay, and the fourth one is they need food and water. And fifth one is they excrete, and sixth one is that they reproduce, and the last one is that they grow. So everyone is clear with these all 7 life processes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
very nice. Okay, okay, just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I hope everyone is clear with those all the 7 things. Okay, so next time, whenever I ask you or anyone asks you that what are the main characters to define living things from non-living things, you have to say these 7 life processes. Okay, everyone
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
with it?
Okay, ma'am.
See, I'm telling you these all things because these are basics things for what you are going to study further. Okay, so I have to
Okay.
maintain your basics first, like strong, then only we can go further. Otherwise, it will become difficult for me when I reach at that point, and then it will become difficult for me to come back to this basics thing and teach you. Because yeah, there are some students that they know these things, and some are there that they don't know. So it's better we combine everything and teach everyone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what are life processes? Can you see the life processes over here? See the things, the main thing starts from here. Okay. So what are life processes? Nutrition. What is nutrition? It's food and water. Okay. And then we see metabolism. That is when we intake this nutrition, we need to digest our food. Okay, because we need
Yeah, ma'am.
energy. Okay, so when we take it inside our body, we go through excretion. So this is the excretion process. Okay, and to for metabolism, to break down the food in small particles and to take out the energy, we need oxygen, which comes from respiration, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
that the oxygen is transported. See, it is transported. And reproduction, as you guys all know that we produce young ones, right? So these all things are interconnected. Do you agree?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you, uh, is everyone agreeing that it needs to be like everything is interconnected?
Yes, ma'am.
If we don't have yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So I hope now everyone is clear with nutrition. So do you guys know like what kind of nutrition we need to have in our daily life? Like we need to have a balanced diet, okay? Like we need to have right amount of carbohydrates. We need to have right amount of you know the protein, right amount of calcium, right amount of fat and sugars to to have energy in our body. So it's very necessary that we need to have these vitamins, minerals, and everything whatever is there around us, like whatever is provided in the nutrition chart, we need to have it in our daily life. Why? Because we need energy, okay, to work, to develop ourselves, to grow. Okay, so I'll just show you some nutrition things that you need to have in your daily life. Okay, you need to keep your balance in your diet. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is this? Like what kind of nutrition it is? Like minerals, vitamins. Don't tell me it's bread, this and all. Just tell me in sense of like minerals or vitamins or protein,
Carbohydrates,
fats.
ma'am, fats.
What I'm pointing at this. Tell me what it is. Anyone? Vitamin.
Carbohydrates.
Okay, wait, let me ask someone. Sumit, Mishale, unmute yourself and tell me what is it? Tell me what it is. Sumit,
Ma'am, can I tell?
wait, let me ask the person. Sumit Mishale, can you tell me what it is? Okay, who wants to tell? Anjali AK?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, protein.
Okay.
Ma'am, carbohydrates.
Who said that? Gopal, I'll
Akash.
come back. Akash, Gopal, I'll come back to you. Okay, let's, people who don't know, let's get with them first. Then I'll come back to you. Okay, you're always welcome to answer the questions. But let's ask some few people who are not, who are not answering. Okay, Akash? Rims Bhakti Mote, tell me what it is.
Ma'am, carbohydrate.
Okay. Rims Aryan, tell me what it is. Rims Aryan, tell me what it is. Okay. Rims Shreyas, tell me what it is. Children, tell me what it is, because I cannot, teach you further if you don't answer me these things. Till I don't know like what you exactly know, I cannot tell you these all things. So you have to answer me these things. Okay?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, vitamin.
These vitamins and minerals? Yes, you are right. So these are carbohydrates, these are vitamins and minerals, these are milk products, dairy products, these are fats and sugars, and this is protein. Can you see
Proteins.
now? Can you everyone differentiate now, everyone, between these all things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, children, go through these things and please come. Do not come, these are things which have been taught to you before only. But only because I can see some of you don't know what it is, so I am teaching you all these things. And it will really require a lot of time and patience. And I need your support to understand what exactly you know and what exactly you don't know. So please, whenever, even if it's okay, even if you don't know the things, okay? But make sure that you answer things, even if it is wrong or even if you don't know whether if it is yes or no. Please answer me so that I can go forward. And, if you don't know some things, I can come with it, right? So please. Okay, Shivanand Mandar, can you tell me what it is? Can you tell me what it is? Okay, the class is gonna get over in it's already been 40 minutes. It's gonna get over in 3 minutes. So anyone has any doubts about anything of today's class?
Ma'am,
Anyone?
again 7 minutes.
Yes? What happened?
Again 7 minutes.
7 minutes? No, actually, I think I just have 4 minutes because I started the meeting early. It's not 7 minutes because it's showing me here for the Zoom app that I just have 3 minutes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
I cannot help in this, right? So just ask
Okay.
so anyone, can you tell me that like exactly and has anyone has any doubts in today's class? Anyone? Anyone has any doubt? Please answer me.
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
No?
Excuse me,
Is
ma'am.
everyone sure? See, today I've just given
Ma'am,
you overview. Yes, yes. Current quote, yes.
Ma'am, what are bodybuilding foods?
What are bodybuilding fruits? Then you need to have proteins. Protein,
Yes, ma'am.
then this mineral and small amount of carbohydrates, which gives you energy, and do not consume
Excuse me, ma'am.
dairy products and fruits. Yes.
Ma'am, who is ma'am chatting, ma'am? Akash nin baditen miss, ma'am.
Just a minute. I haven't seen who is chatting. Literally, no.
Miss nan dost na horg he hakadi miss what are sending me see miss that.
Who is it? Cayman Pravan. Listen, I'm gonna report if you're gonna send these things. I'll report it to the
Ma'am.
your principal itself.
Ma'am, KMS school see ma'am.
Yes, I can see. I can see this. If you, I want to tell everybody that you have to avoid such things. And if you do these nonsense things, I'll report to your principal. It's a direct contact to your principal. That's it, and nothing else. Then after that,
Ma'am,
we'll
he
see
is saying,
huh?
ma'am, he is saying sit quite.
Okay, whatever it is. What he's saying, Cayman Pawan.
Ma'am, Akash Baditen saying miss, he will beat for me, ma'am. Like this he is saying.
Cayman Akash.
Miss, no, ma'am, I'm Riverside Akash, ma'am.
No, who is saying? Which Akash is saying?
Ma'am, that KMS school Pawan.
Okay. I'll see to it. And please avoid this. These all things.
ma'am.
And if today you don't have any doubts, I'll clear. If anyone has any doubts, I'll clear it tomorrow. Okay, ma'am. I want to
Okay,
tell you one thing. Yes, soon tell me because I just have 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Pragati, tell me what happened. Otherwise, you tell me tomorrow. Any doubts, whichever you have, students today, we can do it tomorrow. Okay. Till then, study about
Okay, ma'am.
nutrition and come. Okay, everybody. Do not
Okay,
come
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
just like that. Okay, ma'am. I
Okay,
want
ma'am.
to tell you there is no name of Pawan in our school.
Ma'am, homework.
Homework today I don't have for homework. Other subjects will give you homework. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Okay,
close
ma'am.
switch bit.
Okay, chalo. Then I'll see you tomorrow. Any more doubts, please come tomorrow. Okay, please we'll solve it tomorrow. Okay, because
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time is the classes has been done. Okay. I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
you're clear with all the 7 processes and nutrition. Please read and come out about nutrition. Okay, everybody.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, then I'll see you
Okay,
tomorrow.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.